a quiet green meadow, a tiny drop of water named Wimmy sparkled on a leaf. The sun warmed him gently, and Wimmy began to wiggle. Up, up, up! He floated into the sky, turning into mist. He joined other drops in a fluffy cloud. They laughed, danced, and twirled together, waiting for the next adventure. Soon the cloud grew heavy, and Wimmy and his friends fell as soft raindrops. Plink, plop, drip, drop. Wimmy landed in a little puddle. "Hello, puddle," he said, sliding along with the water. The puddle flowed into a stream, the stream into a river, and the river carried Wimmy all the way to the big blue ocean. Bye. In the warm sun, Wimmy felt himself rising again. Up, up, up into the clouds. I'm part of the water circle, he giggled. And so the water circle continued. Up in the sky, down as rain, flowing to rivers and oceans, over and over again. Up to the clouds we go so high, dancing and floating in the sky. The cloud grows heavy, it's time to fall. Raindrops splashing, we hear the call. Water circle round and round, falls to rivers, flows to ground, flows to oceans, rises high, up to the clouds in the sky. Puddles sparkle, streams will flow, rivers twisting, watch them go into oceans deep and wide. Wimmy floats on every tide. Water circle round and round, flows to rivers, flows to ground, flows to oceans, rises high, up to the clouds in the sky. And the tiny drops work together, keeping the world fresh forever. Round and round the drops will spin, the water circle never ends. Water circle round and round, falls to rivers,